So SelfBACK is a smart app that was developed during a research project that we were partners in, and it aims to help people with low back pain to self-manage.
One of the things that SelfBACK wanted was specializing in predictive monitoring, and so our research work sort of fit into that particular work package called predictive monitoring. So everything to do with keeping track of what an end user or a person is doing.
So it was based on the evidence for management of low back pain, which has three main arms, and that is being physically active, doing specific exercises, and receiving education around self-management strategies. The SelfBACK app incorporates all of these three things. So this was a very interdisciplinary project because it brought across all the different project partners. It brought together people from a health and exercise background, along with people from a computing science background, and also people from industry for the app to be developed into an actual product.
It's fair to say that the computing people are mainly working with the algorithm side, while the health scientists, they have a responsibility also to the human side. That kind of interactive approach was, I would say, real advantage to have for this project by bringing in two disciplines together. Quite pleased that it opened up all these avenues of not just the machine learning, but also conversational AI opportunities.
And it's being considered for use within the UK. So recently, NICE have listed SelfBACK as one of 7 apps for managing low back pain. And to see that coming to fruition and actually being used is really, really both rewarding and exciting.